Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
What's good, everyone? I'm the Grooming Guy coming back at you with another men's grooming review. If you are new or haven't had a chance to, please smash the subscribe button. Should be one of these bottom corners. Smash the hell out of it. Hit the little bell after you're done subscribing. It's going to notify you every time I drop a review. Today, we are talking about the Viking Revolution Beard Comb. I've been talking about doing this review for a while, so I'm happy to be doing it. Sorry it took so long, but let's jump straight into it. So let's talk about the cost. I picked this up on Amazon for $7.88, which I think was a great deal. Good price, not too expensive. A lot of beard combs you find at, either like a drugstore or Walmart, Target, those types of places are overpriced in my opinion. So this is a great deal, good price. You can pick it up on Amazon, also on Viking Revolution's website. Links will be down in the description. Definitely check those out. So $7.88, Amazon, Viking Revolution's website. That's the price. Let's talk about the quality. So quality on this comb, I like it. I like it quite a bit. Two options for teeth, as you can see, depending on if you have a thicker beard or a thinner beard. And this comb is made out of bamboo and pear wood. Also comes with fancy schmancy little carrying case. Decent quality, not bad, not mad at it. But this is more of like a on-the-go type of comb, so keep that in mind, everyone. It's something you can, obviously use to comb out your beard in the morning, throw it in your, pocket, gym bag, whatever, and take it with you throughout the day. If you need to comb through or shape up your beard at all throughout the day, it's a good option. I wouldn't say this is like a primary beard comb. You might want something a little bigger as far as kind of covering more beard with the comb. That's my only complaint with this guy. So recommendation would be you got your primary beard comb, then you got like an on-the-go type of travel beard comb, which this would be it. But question always remains, should you guys spend your hard-earned money on this beard comb or not? And the answer is, if you're looking for a travel beard comb, then this is definitely the guy for you. Pick this up. If you're looking for more of a bigger, beard comb you can use in the morning, at home, comb it all out, shape it up nicely, then this probably isn't the beard comb for you because it's not going to cover that much surface area of your beard. Just heads up. But hope that helps you guys. This is a quick review, beard comb. Not a whole lot of detail on there. You guys know how to use a beard comb, I'm sure. If you don't, drop a comment below. I'll do another how-to video if that's what you guys want. If you guys use this comb or any other comb, drop me a comment below. I'd like to check out, what other options are out there. If there's a product you guys want me to do a review on, drop that comment below as well. Give me a huge thumbs up after you're done watching this video. It's greatly appreciated. And like I said, if you're new or haven't had a chance to, smash the hell out of the subscribe button, one of these corners. I'm also gonna leave some links right here for you guys. Beard oils, beard products, gonna help you guys out in general if you're bearded like myself. I appreciate you guys watching. Till next time, I'm the Grooming Guy. I'm out.